Hey everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and finish that packet that we worked on last time. And the last problem was number 12, which was Heron's formula. So, Heron's formula is the area of a triangle, or A, equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S equals A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that's what we're given. Now let's talk about this for a minute. We're going to use this when we're given a triangle that has all of the sides measured. We don't need to use this for a right triangle. This is used for any triangle where we're given side, 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 or all three of the sides. Okay. Now S, we just calculate S as a value, and then we plug that into our equation. So let's go ahead and look at the problem from 12. It says a New York City developer wants to build condominiums on the triangular lot formed by Greenwich Watch and Canal Streets. How many square meters does the developer have to work if the frontage along each street is approximately 34.1 meters, 43.5 meters, and 62.5 meters respectively? So the developer has this random triangular lot. We don't know any of the angles, but we do know one of the sides is 34.1 meters. The other side is 43.5 meters. And the last side is 62.5 meters. That's all the information we're given there. Now, I could go ahead and use the law of cosines to find an angle, and then use my area equations to find the area, because all my other area equations I need to know an angle, at least one. But here I have all three sides, so I'm going to use Heron's formula, where I'm going to label 34.1A, 43.5B, and the other one C, because it's just an arbitrary triangle. So this part doesn't really matter, but S is going to equal all of our side lengths added up and then divided by 2. I'll go ahead and put that in a calculator, and we should get the same answer, which is 70.05. So this is S. That's not my area though. But now I can use S and plug S into this equation and plug A, B, and C into this equation because we have all of those values. So our area is going to equal the square root, and it's going to be a big long square root, of S, 70.05, times S, 70.05, minus A, which is 34.1, times S minus B, which we decided is 43.5, times S, 70.05, minus 62.5. So this, remember we're just multiplying here between each of these. So when you plug into your calculator, you need to be careful with that. So showing a little more work here, we get the square root of 70.05 times what is 70.05 minus 34.1. we should get 35.95. And then we'll get 26.55. And then we'll get 7.55. Then after multiplying all of those together, we get quite a big number. But it's under the square root of 504,799.0296. Now we can go ahead and take the square root of that number and get that our area is equal to 710.492. What? Well, I'm working in meters, so my area is going to be meters squared. This area is always squared. So that is the application of Heron's formula.